Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make soap at home easy way. You can make your own flavor like I made oatmeal and green tea. So let's start with green tea. For base I'm using TEA Beautiful soap. If you are making one soap then 4 cubes are enough. Here I am making 2 soaps, so I am taking 8 to 9 cubes. I am using double boiler method to melt it. It will take 10 to 15 minutes, but if you want you can use microwave. I think it will take 3 to 4 minutes. After 15 minutes check it, there should not be any lumps. I am using green tea and jasmine flavor. As I mentioned, I am not going to use any soap mold. So here I have taken this small bowl. After pouring the soap, now I am mixing this green tea nicely. Now I am keeping it for 20 minutes in the fridge. After 20 minutes, once it is hard, I am using knife to take it out. Don't worry about the edges. Like this way I am making it smooth. Green tea is a great antioxidant component, so here your antioxidant soap bar is ready. For oatmeal and honey soap, the base will be the same. I have taken plain oats. 1 tablespoon is enough for one soap. I have added soap. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Mixing it well and keep it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it is hard, take it out with the help of knife. Later smooth it carefully. Oatmeal and honey is great for your skin. It moisturizes your skin so well. Like this way you can make your own soap bar. I hope you all like this video and please give me your suggestion. Whatever you want to see from me, write it in the comment box. I will make video on that. Next week I will come with new video. Till then, bye.